5-year-old Solomon and 3-year-old Akram of Uganda, just two young victims of a deadly parasitic disease that affects more than 25 million preschool-age children in sub-Saharan Africa alone. This disease, called schistosomiasis, or snail fever, is responsible for more than 250 million cases of infection, and it is caused by a deadly blood-sucking worm, a worm that thrives in stagnant waters and enters our bodies through the skin to enter the bloodstream. This disease is easily the third most prevalent parasitic infection worldwide and easily the deadliest neglected tropical disease, with over 280,000 reported deaths every year. Once in our bodies, these parasitic worms begin consuming tons of blood, earning the title of a true vampire. After each blood meal, these bloodsuckers begin laying hundreds of thousands of eggs, which cause abdominal swelling and damage the surrounding tissues, such as the liver and the kidneys. Chronic cases, like that of Solomon and Akram, are usually accompanied by symptoms of fever, blood in the stool and urine, and intense abdominal pain. In order to treat this disease, we rely upon a single drug called praziquantel. This drug, although effective in treating the adult worms, has a glaring issue. Evidence of drug resistance has many medical professionals deeply concerned, and it is important now more than ever to start searching for new, novel therapies in treating this deadly disease. And that is where we in the Lund Lab here at UAB come into play. We have devoted our time and resources into finding one such novel therapy, and we believe that we have found one. You see, this blood-sucking worm has an Achilles heel. Unlike us, it cannot produce its own NAD, a molecule that is vital for the survival of every living organism, as it helps convert the food we eat into energy. Indeed, energy is important for the worm, both in survival and in reproduction, and it takes this energy in the form of NAD from your blood. We have discovered that by blocking the worm's ability to take this energy, we can effectively stop it from laying eggs both in the laboratory and in infected animals. Ultimately, this line of therapy leads to the death of the parasite. We have discovered that chemical inhibitors that block the worm's NAD metabolism effectively starve it to death in our own bloodstreams. And it is our hope that these chemical inhibitors will one day be able to be used in the field to treat millions of people, like the cases of these young children. But our experiments don't end there, for it is also our hope that this Achilles heel may be exploited in other deadly parasitic diseases like that of malaria. Thank you.